But you're the brainchild behind this because normally you have a director who comes to the production house and says, let's do this thing together. It went the other way around here. You had the script and then you took this forward.
Well, I wouldn't quite say we're the brainchild behind it because where is Anshul Singhal? Is he here? Yeah, so on, I think it
Right
was
up over there.
rainy afternoon like this one day when he came into the office and narrated this amazing script to us, we fell in love with it completely. And, the whole team, and that is not something that happens very often when, every single person in the room is laughing and crying and, feeling great about what they've heard. And hats off to him. One big round of applause for Anshul. So,
You should actually be sitting up here in front.
yeah, I wonder
It would
what
be
he's doing
nice.
there at the back. So, the big task obviously was to figure out who it is who would be the best person to direct this material. And honestly, after a lot of soul searching and, thinking through various options, we narrowed in on the one person who has been able to, he is one of the most versatile directors that we have in this industry. He's handled virtually every genre of cinema in his career. And I think, the film that he started out with, Kal Ho Na Ho, was something that, convinced us that this was a script that deserves to be helmed by no one other than Nikhil Advani. And so we thought that Nikhil was the best person to do this. And honestly, from what one has seen of the film, which is pretty much all of it, I will say that, our decision was completely justified, and we're thrilled that we have Nikhil making this movie. I'd like to thank Amrita who and her team at UTV, who've been, great support for the film, and they've been managing the marketing and distribution plans all the way through. And I'd like to thank Madhu and Monisha from MA for being extremely efficient, organized, and superb co-producers. So thank you.